Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make hair cream at home. I'm going to show you a very easy and simple method. So just follow everything I'm going to show you here. So this is my paraffin oil. That's half a liter. I'm going to pour it directly into the basin. Now this basin is already on heat. I use the kerosene stove. You can use any heat source of your choice. I use kerosene stove here. You can use an electric stove. You can use a gas cooker. So I made use of a kerosene stove. Now, in hair cream production, everything is usually melted down. So that's my petroleum jelly I've just added. So the measurement of my ingredients is in the description of this video. So you check the description of this video, you will see the measurement of the ingredients I use. And also at the description of this video, you will see a link to my Facebook group on soap making and other skincare production. So you do well by joining that group to learn other skincare formulation. I usually drop how-to steps on how to make other skincare products, so you benefit a lot in that group. And I also train people, so you have a lot of benefit joining that group. So check the description of this video, you will see the measurement of my ingredients and you see a link to my Facebook group. Just join. I'm going to add my wax. Now, just added some quantity of it. I don't add much, I don't add plenty. So this is where I actually got the wax from. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to add is the menthol. Now what menthol does is that it gives the hair cream a cooling effect. That cooling effect you usually feel when you put or when you apply hair cream on your hair. That is what menthol does. So I'm going to add my menthol. You've seen I've added it. So everything will be left here to melt. Then I didn't use lanolin, I made use of glycerin instead. Now glycerin can also do the work of lanolin, so I decided to work with glycerin in this video. I didn't use lanolin. So now everything has melted down. I'm going to bring it from the fire and keep the stove aside. So it's time for us to wait for the stuff to cool down. The moment it cools down, our mixture cools down, it will have that hair cream look and texture. This cooling down process can take up to 1 hour. So you have to be patient here. This is where patience comes in. But if you have a fridge, you can put it inside your fridge for it to cool down quickly. If you have a fridge or a freezer, you can just put this into your fridge or freezer for it to cool down quickly. So the moment it cools down, it will now solidify and have that hair cream look and texture. Now the last ingredient I'm going to add is my fragrance. This is the best time to add your fragrance. You have to wait for the mixture to have cooled down before you add your fragrance. Reason because heat can affect fragrance. So in order to avoid that, you add your fragrance into your hair cream when it's a bit warm. When it's not very hot again, it's not a bit warm, that's the best time to add your fragrance. So you can see our mixture has cooled down and is now picking the popular hair cream texture and having the look. Now this hasn't fully cooled down. This will still take at least the next 1 hour to really solidify it. But I'm going to scoop into my container. So in an hour time it will have fully solidified. So you can see how simple this is. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time on our next video. Goodbye and have a nice time.